Hello guys, welcome to the 17th session of using Microsoft Boot Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will learn how to use Azure Code Service to deploy Boot on your own web page. Let us switch browser and open WebBot app that we have created and click on Channels. Here you can see that web chat is running. Click on Edit. Scroll down. Here is an HTML code that contains our boat as embedded iframe. Copy this code. I have already opened Visual Studio Code and created a blank HTML file. Let us paste it here. Within this iframe, we need to pass secret key. We can use any of those two. Click on the show, copy it, and paste it. Here I am changing the height of iframe so we can see it properly. Save the file and open in the browser. Here we got the same output as we got in taste in a web page. Let us taste it by sending hi. Obviously, it generates the same result as we are expecting. Here I have added iframe directly to a web page. However, you can also place it in any kind of pop-up or something like this. Let us see what we have learned in this session. To place chatbot on our web page, we need to just obtain the iframe code from Channels tab and copy and paste security key. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.